Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set up a profile picture for your Facebook account. But before I proceed with my today's video, subscribe to learn more such tips and tricks about Facebook and its settings. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries, and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Open your preferred browser and log into your Facebook. Go to your profile from the left hand side and click on the camera icon over here. You have two options: either you can upload a picture or you can select from the pictures that you have previously uploaded. You can crop, you can zoom in and zoom out, you can also make it temporary if you wish to. No, your profile picture is always public until and unless you change the settings. Click on save, and that's how you give a profile picture for your Facebook account. Please let us know your thoughts and queries on our videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something